New to WhatsApp and want to try it out? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install WhatsApp. Note that this video will demonstrate on an iPhone, but you can find written instructions for both Android and iOS devices in the description box below. Now let's get started. To begin, open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then tap the search bar and type in WhatsApp. Tap WhatsApp when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get to start downloading the app. If prompted, use Touch ID, Face ID, or enter your password to confirm. Then wait for your download to complete. This should only take a few minutes. Once your download is done, tap Open to start using WhatsApp. That's all it takes to download and install WhatsApp. To learn more about using WhatsApp, check out our playlist of WhatsApp tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.